Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create trigger after insert trigger. So first of all delimit a $sign, then create trigger after insert product. After insert product, this is the product, this is the trigger name. So after insert on purchase info tab, when you insert record in the purchase input, it will automatically insert in the purchase details tab. So this is the begin and end. Now I'm going to write my command insert into purchase details tab. Values, the values will be new dot product id, purchase input tab, product id, then purchase new dot purchase id, purchase quantity, and then purchase price, finally purchase total, and then current time. This is the current time, default date and time will be inserted in the purchase details tab. Execute. Yes, it's executed successfully. Now let's see the records in the purchase details tab. There is no record in the purchase details tab. Now I'm going to insert a record in the purchase info tab. So insert into purchase info tab values, and values will be product id 104, this is integer type, and purchase id 8, purchase quantity 10, purchase price 60, and purchase total 600, and then 0. This is for date and time, current time. Oh, column could not match value counted row. Let's see the column. Yes, you can see purchase details tab column, extra column added. So I removed the SL column. Yes, it's removed successfully. Now it's done. Now insert again in the purchase info tab. Execute. Yes, it's executed. One row selected, and this is executed successfully. Let's see the records in the purchase info tab and purchase details tab as well. So right statement, select star from purchase info tab. Yes, and purchase details tab. Let's see. Yes, the record 104, product id 810, and purchase price 60. It's inserted successfully with discount percent 5. And then purchase details tab. Execute. Yes, the data in purchase details tab are inserted automatically when I insert data in purchase. Okay, it's working well. Thanks for watching this tutorial.